you doing?
Mommy. Throw it to Mommy.
Oh, thank you.
Now what, huh?
Stroller?
Stroller. Yes.
Where are you going? You want to go see the boy? Kiss the boy? Or are you going inside? You just gonna go inside and leave us?
What about us?
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. We'll be out here.
Okay, see you later.